Okay, so this is our project on which we are working on the smart classroom. So there will be two types of portal. One is for students portal and one more is for teachers portal. First, we'll log into teachers portal. Inside this teachers portal, like this is our class ma'am, as she has already logged in inside this. Okay, this is the teacher's dashboard. What she will see when she logins. Okay, now the first, she can create a classroom, she can manage a classroom, she can create a quizzes are the global level quizzes. Then she can see the individual student reports. Then she can track the attendance of the student and can review the feedbacks from the student. Okay, from starting, if we see, we can toggle. Then we have the feature of having a teacher's profile. For individual teacher, there will be a profile. Then when we come back, creating a classroom, teacher has to enter the classroom name, then the classroom ID, so that she can create a new classroom. She can manage the classroom after creating that. In case she have to edit, the classroom code will be generated here. Later, she can create a quiz. Quizzes are global level quizzes. She can change the what levels of quizzes and grades of quizzes for engineering, for 10th grade, for PUC and etc. Then she can title that, she can description that. She just have to enter the questions and options and select the correct options for that. Then she have to submit the quiz. This is an easy what UI UX. Then she can view the students feedback like reports. Now these are the classroom created by the teacher. In case if you want to see the chemistry students, these are the students who have joined under the chemistry classes. Like if teacher want to see the individual students report, she can click on the individual students card. This will generate the students report based on his quiz and knowledge, like generating the feedback for him from his past experience, like what the quizzes he has answered. These are the total number of quizzes answered by that student and the correct answer answered by that student. Based on that, the general what performance of the student. This is the graph of the student, his progress level of the graph. Then if it is improving above 75 stage, it will be in green in color. Then these are the quizzes that students has attempted. If he has answered any question wrong, like this, like does C support OOPS principle? Feedback, like he has answered the question wrong, so the feedback will C does not support OOPS Java object oriented programming language. So the feedback will be generated. Like in Python, he have answered all the questions correct, so there will be no feedback. In C programming, he has also answered wrong answers, so the feedback will be generated from the Gemini API. So when we come back, we can see other students report also. Now coming back to tracking students attendance, like these are the classrooms. In that she can take the attendance and view the attendance. While taking the attendance, these are the students who have enrolled for that classrooms. If the student is absent, they can just easily mark absent here, then save the attendance. The attendance will be saved. Later, she can view the attendance of that classroom, like the total classes taken by her and overall attendance rate. Then, the percentage of absentees will be marked here. If the students have some valid reason for their absences, if the teacher want to increase their attendance, they just have to increase and save the data, which will increase our attendance. Teachers can also export the attendance sheet in the form of Excel sheet, which will be downloaded in the Excel format. Apart from this, the student can rate an individual teacher based on their subject. These are the total feedback for the students. Out of that, the ratings she has got. She can also delete the ratings if she has already seen that ratings. After this, when we come to the side of students portal, we have already seen the teachers portal. When it comes to students portal, Okay, if the password was wrong. Okay, this is the students dashboard. It will be displaying the students profile also. Students can see their individual profiles based on what their details, and they can also easily edit that. In the dashboard, they can join the classroom that generated by the teacher by entering the classroom code and their student ID. It is simple. Then viewing the subject, which are the subjects they have joined, like a latex or else chemistry, the classroom joined by that individual student. Then attempting the quiz. Quizzes are not only attempted for the quizzes which are generated by their teachers, but also they can attempt the quizzes globally for any level of quizzes. Like in all over the world, any teacher may generate a quiz. They can just click on that and enter their classroom student ID and answer the quiz. Like this is a simple demo I created. They can just click on it and just submit the quiz. The quiz is submitted and the score generated was 0%. Like there are different kinds of quizzes, like a hard level. They can also filter that based on their levels, like engineering or else other grades, like all professions also. Then a student can see his individual progress. On clicking this, they can only view their level of progress, at what quizzes they have attempted, what answers they have gone wrong, what tips they have to improve, and what feedback they got from the Gemini API. We'll see total number of questions and incorrect answers by the student, and the improvements tips for them, what improvements they need to do. Like as I already said, who is the founder of C language? I have already answered wrong. I have answered Newton. So the feedback is Newton is known for his contribution to physics and mathematics, not in computer science. Dennis Rich along with Kin Thompson developed C at a Bell Labs in the early 1970s. Apart from this, student can give a feedback for an individual student based on their class. They submit the feedback, give the rating for the teacher, and submit the feedback. The feedback will be submitted. So this is the uh, smart classroom we have developed for teachers and students, as the teachers can individually give attention for every students in their classroom, and the traditional way of giving a feedback for students, which will be taking lots of time, and they cannot give an specified feedback for individual student. They can only give an overall feedback for the student. In this app, what it will help is, it will give a particular student based on their level of experience, their level of understanding, it will generate the feedback for them. Thank you.